Hello everyone. So in this video I just wanted to make a quick video. Um well, I just did my new computer build and uh well, I now have that i7-2600 I was talking about a couple of videos ago, or the last video I did. It's in the basement hosting my 16 terabyte hard drive running Windows 8.0. But this is actually my the case, if you remember, a long time years ago, that I had my turn on the light here, that I had my 6700K in. But now I'm using the two 5 1/4 inch bays Kingwin fan controller, touchscreen fan controller, LG Blu-ray drive. And here's the inside. I'm using a DeepCool water cooler 360 millimeter radiator. I could have gotten a new case, but I decided I'm going to use this one because A, why would I get another case? And B, I don't want to get a case that has all glass and has no deep. I refuse to ditch my Blu-ray drive. I have two Corsair 120 millimeter case fans that came with this thing. In the very back, I have that's another case fan that came with the case. My Corsair AX1600i power supply that I also had from my 12900K. CPU, i7-13700k. I don't have it overclocked because I don't want to make my machine unstable, but I got the water cooler just to keep it from overheating under load, like my 12900K. My RAM G-Skill 216 gig, so 32 gigs of DDR5 6000. Now the video card, it's a zotac GeForce RTX 3090 Ti. I know that was like $900 on eBay, but considering a lot of them, I know Zotac's not the best company, but I just got it because I was like, this is a pretty good deal. So we just got this card, and of course it's got that weird proprietary power connector, 16-pin connector, and then I got this adapter with a 3 8-pin PCI Express adapters. Yeah, it's the best card. I really wish it was an EVGA, but obviously I can't unless someone knows how to make the 40 series work on Windows 7. I basically I'm maxed out at the 3090 Ti. I mean, I guess for the price, Zotac is alright, but for storage, I have a Samsung 1 terabyte Samsung 990 Pro, and it is fast. It's probably one of the fastest drives you can get that has legacy support. So, and then for hard drives, well, that's just like an old 70 gig SATA drive that was pulled from an OEM machine. It's a Hitachi drive. I have that in case I wanted to install XP or 2000 on my machine. Oh yeah, I also have two network cards. I have the onboard Realtek 2.5 gig Ethernet that supports Windows 7 and up, and then just because I like to have an extra one, and because the onboard one does not support anything prior to 7, I got this this network, Realtek regular gigabit, that will support as far back as Windows 2000. So, and then of course I have my PCI Express soft modem, US robotic soft modem, because why not? If we ever got a phone line, that would be cool, just to try and connect to the internet over dial-up. So I like to just have that. Unfortunately, because of the video card taking up 3 slots, I don't have a piece. For the time being, I don't have a an XP compatible card in here. So, but in case I ever wanted to, I have the hard drive installed. It's disabled right now in the BIOS, but and then of course here is this monitor, my Acer, that wasn't replaced. I still have the same Logitech speakers. And then I have this extra square HP monitor, mouse, keyboard. I mean, what else is there to say? Well, really, I originally was going to do Windows 7, but then for some weird reason, it was only detecting like 8 gigs of video memory, so it was like, I decided I might as well just get 2008. So this is technically Windows 7 in a way, but if you go to here and then go to computer, this is really server 2008 R2 data center. And then see 13th gen. Of course, it sees 2 processors because of the efficiency cores, performance cores, 32 gig of RAM. But it's more work to get it, with the desktop experience. But I think it's worth it because it literally looks just like Windows 7. I got Arrow working, and I got Premiere Pro. I got all my programs, so it works really well. I use the Simplix update pack to update it to up to July of 2023. So I'm not doing any more updates, but maybe that's why, because the original Windows 7 install I did was I used some other Chinese USB drivers. Maybe I should have done it, but 2008 R2, I don't really care about the experience index because I know it's going to be 7.9. So, but yeah, this thing works really well. The USB stable. And if we go to the device manager, well, yeah, of course you can see there's quite a few unknown devices, but nothing that's really a big deal. See, there's a soft modem, which I'm not really using right now, but and then display adapters, a 3090 Ti, network adapters, Realtek gaming, so that's the onboard, and then the second Ethernet Realtek card, and then VMware. So, and then of course USB is just, oh yeah, that USB XP, that's for the Corsair Link driver. So, but yeah, see, Intel, these are ported USB drivers. And then of course, if you go to storage, disk drives, NVMe Samsung 990 SSD SCSI disk device. So, well, you guys kind of get the idea, but yeah, it's a pretty, you know what? If I could afford it, I would be getting a Threadripper 7995 WX, and I'd be loading 2008 R2 up on there too, but you know, we can't afford that. So, I mean, this is still really good, and of course, Steam is supposed to drop support in like what, like, if we check here, 30, well, actually, it's probably less because maybe like around 35 days or something, but alright, well, I think you guys get the idea, but so I'll see you guys in the next video.